I really enjoy the fact of going to the store and seeing all the foods that we produce on a daily basis. You open a refrigerator, you order a food, and you start pointing at all the things that could be derived off of this farm or our fellow farms in North America. It's really, really rewarding. My name is Kyle Averhoff. I'm the managing partner of Royal Farms Dairy. We're located in the southwest corner of Kansas. The dairy was founded in the late 1990s. We're largely a dairy and a farming operation. The dairy is the primary part of our business. Royal's milking about 6,500 cows with the full complement of replacements on site. We milk cows 24 hours a day, every day of the year. The care of our cows is just ultimately such a pinnacle of what we do. My family's been involved in milking cows for a long time now, and the cows are what pay the bills. And we're really, really fortunate that we're in a business to where good care of the cows aligns really, really well with maximizing profitability of our business. What I've enjoyed about dairy farming it's just the variety of what we get to do every day. It's care of the animals, it's development of a team of people and a culture of how we do things. It's operating a business with the goal of maximizing profit and long-term growth. On any given day, we're looking at the next change that'll make it even better for our cows and a better story of how we produce food and ultimately market it to our consumers. When we foster our resources and we take care of them, that does the best for our businesses and those who work for us, and it makes us the best part of our local community.